with Raval. Tax is always something that the middle class is hoping to be reduced. Is that the year? Is this the year for them to celebrate that?
Good evening, Vineetji. Thank you very much for keeping me in the debate. Actually, 76% of the middle class contributes to the exchequer and 24% corporates. The budget is read by two people. One class is the middle class, which reads the budget as a incentives, as a soaps to the tax rates, benefits from the rural housing sector, benefits on the other fronts, and the corporates reads the budgets on other lines, which kinds of schemes are there on which new industries, new infrastructure can be planted by them, and they can plan their new businesses in the year to come. So the budget class is looking at, middle class is looking at the budget with the benefits and incentives only. The thing is, now it is high time, because with the change in tax regime, new and old, now there is nothing left in the new regime to take the benefit out of it. So earlier also, the housing has been left out, the benefit has taken away, lots of other benefits has been taken away. Now, Institute of Chartered Accountants have also recommended to make another class of married filing jointly. So they get the benefit, at least the family gets the benefits, because the family runs the home. They need more expenses. And moreover, everybody is contributing to the tax. Sandeepji, I will just add to your lines that there is no one in this country who doesn't contribute to the exchequer. More than 20 lakh crore is coming out of GST, which is also part of the income which he has received after paying the taxes. So first of all, he is paying 30% taxes, then after that he is paying GST on that. So my expectation from this budget as a middle class, for a middle class, is relief in tax rates, at least basic exemption limit or the joint exemption limit to be created for them, for the family, plus the GST rates for the basic items, the essential items, the food items, it should be taken away. At least now it is high time to come for roti, kapda or makan. So you have to think for the food items, at least they should be made GST tax free. I know this is not a platform for, this budget is not for giving reliefs on GST rates, but at least recommendations can go. The government is very much in that position. So there are situations now for the indirect taxes also, wherever they are getting more indirect taxes, the only middle class is contributing to that. So they are putting the money from both hands. First they pay direct taxes and then they pay indirect taxes. So now it is high time. I will agree with the whole panel that this time we are expecting a populist budget. Maybe it's a sticky situation for the finance minister, no doubt about it. It's a tricky for them to balance all the things, because on 1st of February the budget is being coming, and on 5th of February the daily elections are there. So they have to combat with the freebies, revadi, whatever you call. So this all competition which is going on in Delhi. So within 3 days, how you will be tackling those situations, that Delhi going that which way? It should not go the way the UP went in earlier parliamentary elections. So now it is high time to take care of them. So at least you get the benefit of Delhi. I will be, being a biased middle class person, I will think on those ways that we are the contributors. Now this is high time, because every time the middle class doesn't get that his cut, he doesn't get his pie, he is always more taxed. I agree with Sandeepji. Now this is high time to put the wealth tax. It is high time to put the inheritance tax wherever you feel comfortable. Now this is the time to tax the wealthier. There is no issue at all, because they have started contributing lesser. If you really compare the last year data, now the middle class has surpassed the corporate, and this has happened for the first time in this country. And thus now it is time to get the taxes from the corporates also. They have given the much benefits by reducing the tax rates, by giving the other incentives and all, and now this is high time that they are also taken care of, because they are also, as they are the driving force. You have to increase the consumption market. Once the consumption market, only middle class person gets, because the rich people does the shopping the different way. All these essential items, 76% contributions, both ways you can find.
All right, so we've run out of time, but nevertheless, I appreciate everybody who joined.